Have you ever looked in the mirror, tired and frustrated, wondering why your body feels like it's working against you? Perhaps you're battling stubborn belly fat that just won't budge, despite your best efforts, or experiencing mood swings and fatigue that make every day feel like an uphill battle. You're not alone. Many women, especially those between 30 and 60, are told it's just lack of willpower or getting older. But what if I told you that often, it's not about willpower at all? What if the real culprits are hiding in plain sight, deeply intertwined with your hormones and metabolism? Today, we're going to uncover a secret weapon, not a miracle cure, but a powerful, evidence-based strategy to reclaim your energy, shed that stubborn weight, and feel vibrant again. We're diving into the secret 7 foods for women's hormonal health, a guide designed to empower you with practical, sustainable changes. And if you find this information transformative, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of women committed to conscious weight loss and holistic well-being. For years, diet culture has fed us restrictive plans and extreme promises, often ignoring the intricate dance of hormones within our bodies. We're told to eat less, move more, and if that doesn't work, well, it must be your fault. But the truth is, women's bodies are complex, and our hormonal landscape is constantly shifting, influenced by everything from stress to age to, yes, even the food we eat. This isn't about blaming food. It's about understanding how certain foods can either disrupt or support our delicate hormonal balance, directly impacting everything from weight management and energy levels to mood and sleep quality. Think of your hormones like a finely tuned orchestra. When one instrument is out of tune, the entire symphony suffers. Our goal today is to give your body the right instruments and the right conductor through the power of nutrition. We're going to explore 7 specific foods that act as silent allies, working behind the scenes to help balance your hormones, reduce inflammation, boost your metabolism, and ultimately, help you feel like yourself again. This isn't about deprivation, it's about intelligent nourishment. Let's start with our first powerful ally, cruciferous vegetables, specifically broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Now, you might be thinking, vegetables? Tell me something new. But the magic lies in their unique compounds. These vegetables contain indole 3-carbinol, I3C, and diindolylmethane DIM, which are crucial for healthy estrogen metabolism. Estrogen dominance, where estrogen levels are too high relative to progesterone, is a common issue for women, contributing to weight gain, especially abdominal weight, fluid retention, mood swings, and an increased risk of certain conditions. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the role of cruciferous vegetables in promoting the excretion of harmful estrogen metabolites, essentially helping your body detoxify excess estrogen. Think of DIM and I3C as little caretakers, sweeping unwanted forms of estrogen from your system, creating a cleaner, more balanced environment. Practically, aim for a serving of these powerhouses daily. Roast them with a little olive oil and garlic, add them to stir fries, or blend kale into a smoothie. Next up, we have avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is a powerhouse of healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. But its benefits extend far beyond just healthy fats. Avocados are rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that can help regulate cortisol, our primary stress hormone. When stress is chronic, cortisol levels remain elevated, leading to increased abdominal fat storage, sugar cravings, and fatigue. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed how certain dietary components can influence stress responses. By helping to modulate cortisol, avocados can indirectly support a more balanced hormonal state. Furthermore, their fiber content aids digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing those energy crashes and subsequent cravings. Incorporate half an avocado into your breakfast, add it to salads, or enjoy it as a snack with a sprinkle of sea salt. Our third secret weapon is flax seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional giants, especially for women. They are the richest dietary source of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen. Now, don't let the word phytoestrogen scare you. Unlike synthetic estrogens, lignans have a unique ability to act as selective estrogen receptor modulators, SERMs. This means they can either weakly mimic estrogen when your body needs more, or block stronger, potentially harmful estrogens when levels are too high, effectively bringing balance. A review in Nutrition and Cancer emphasized flaxseed's role in promoting hormonal balance, and even showing potential benefits in reducing breast cancer risk. Additionally, flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a silent saboteur, contributing to insulin resistance, weight gain, and fatigue. Sprinkle a tablespoon of ground flax seeds into your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies daily. Grinding them is crucial to unlock their full nutritional potential. Moving on, let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These aren't just delicious, they are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. We often hear about omega-3s for heart health, but their role in hormonal balance is equally vital. Omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatory agents. As mentioned, inflammation can disrupt hormone signaling, leading to issues like insulin resistance, which makes weight loss extremely difficult. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted the anti-inflammatory effects of omega-3s, showing how they can improve cellular function and reduce systemic inflammation. They also play a role in the production of eicosanoids, hormone-like compounds that regulate inflammation, blood clotting, and blood vessel constriction. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week. If fish isn't your thing, a high-quality omega-3 supplement can be a good alternative, but always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Our fifth food is a kitchen staple, quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which is rare for a plant-based food. Why is complete protein important for hormonal health? Proteins are the building blocks for hormones, enzymes, and neurotransmitters. Adequate protein intake helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those sharp spikes and crashes that trigger insulin release and subsequent fat storage. A stable blood sugar environment is key for balanced hormones. Furthermore, quinoa is rich in fiber, which supports gut health, and a healthy gut is fundamental for healthy hormone metabolism, particularly estrogen detoxification. Think of your gut as a second brain for hormone regulation. The fiber in quinoa acts like a scrub brush, keeping everything moving smoothly. Replace refined grains with quinoa in your meals. Use it as a base for salads or a side dish. Next, we have berries, specifically blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. These vibrant fruits are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a process that damages cells and contributes to chronic inflammation, which, as we've established, is a major disruptor of hormonal balance. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showcases the high antioxidant capacity of berries and their potential to mitigate oxidative damage. Beyond antioxidants, berries are also a good source of fiber, further supporting gut health and blood sugar stability. Their relatively low glycemic index compared to other fruits means they provide a steady release of energy without causing rapid blood sugar spikes. Enjoy a handful of berries daily, fresh or frozen, in your yogurt, oatmeal, or as a refreshing snack. Finally, our 7th secret food for women's hormonal health is nuts and seeds beyond flax seeds. Think almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. These are incredible sources of healthy fats, fiber, and crucial minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium, often called the relaxation mineral, is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those that support adrenal function and stress response. Many women are magnesium deficient, which can exacerbate symptoms of PMS, fatigue, and poor sleep. Zinc is vital for thyroid function and insulin sensitivity. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, another type of omega-3 fatty acid. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and supports gut health. A handful of mixed nuts and seeds daily can provide a powerful nutritional boost, helping to fill in common nutrient gaps that impact hormonal balance. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as they are calorie-dense. So there you have it, the secret 7 foods for women's hormonal health. This isn't about rigid diets or extreme measures. It's about making conscious, informed choices that empower your body to thrive. Remember, consistency is key. Integrating these foods regularly into your diet creates a cumulative effect, gently nudging your hormones back into balance. While these foods are incredibly beneficial, they are part of a larger picture. A holistic approach that includes stress management, adequate sleep, and regular physical activity is equally important. These foods are tools, not magic pills. They work by supporting your body's natural processes, helping it to heal and regulate itself. I want to emphasize that while this information is evidence-based and incredibly powerful, It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you are experiencing significant hormonal imbalances, persistent weight issues, or other health concerns, please consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure these dietary changes are appropriate for your individual health needs. Our goal here is to empower you with knowledge, to demystify complex health topics, and to show you that sustainable, healthy living is within your reach. No more blaming willpower. It's time to nourish your body with the wisdom it deserves. If you're ready to take control of your hormonal health and embark on a journey of conscious well-being, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more practical, enlightening content designed specifically for women like you. Together, let's unlock the paths to your well-being.